Good morning, this is Paul River, Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a beautiful fresh trade-in. This is a 2008 Chrysler Town Country, manual rear entry, mobility, wheelchair accessible Chrysler Town Country AMS. I believe it's an AMS conversion. This is a trade-in. Here at Freedom Motors we have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles, and this is a trade that we just took in. It's got bucket seats in the second row. It's got an easy lock system already installed in the floor. It's already wired. Right over there is the little box. Keeps your wheelchair locked into place so it's not moving around during travels. Rear air conditioning. 87,000 miles. Only $13,500 is the sale price. Super low price. Typically these vans, the newer ones, we have 2017s and 18s, they're around $30,000, $40,000. We have some that are 50 that are side entries. And we have Chrysler Pacificas that are like brand new. They're pretty awesome, amazing vehicles. They'll start around the $30,000 price range as well. Manual rear entries. So this is a fresh trade. This is one of the lower price ones in inventory. It's dirty. Just took it in, fresh trade. These don't last long, so I want to hurry up and get it on the internet before it's gone. We've got a whole bunch of salespeople all over the United States itching to sell this kind of a van, because we don't get many of these often on trade. Usually we get them in on trade and they've got 250,000 miles on them. So this one's only got 87,000 miles. Very low mileage for the year. It's a 2008, so it's a new body style. The 07 was a previous body style, so it's a new body style. It's got the retractable straps there. Easy lock system. Bucket seats. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles, hundreds in stock, cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. This is a fresh trade-in. This is how we took it in. It's dirty. It needs to be fully detailed still. Won't be here long though. She's selling fast. She's pretty. It's in good shape. Now it is a Chrysler. And it is 10 years old, and we're in Michigan. So it's not going to be perfect on the body. It's going to have some rust here and there. I did spot some rust over here. Yeah. This is normal. This is common. Still can be fixed. It's fixable. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Tires, pretty good tread. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Fresh trade-in under $15,000 for a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Will not be here long. So I'm doing a dirty video. I like to make sure they're fully detailed before I do videos, but this one will not be here long. I know it. More like this price range. If you're interested in this van, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Manual rear entry. Let's grab this handle here. They're up. Like so. Easy peasy. Let me check under here. Usually these are rusty and yeah, that's another common area for rust. So she's a little rusty, but she is trusty, and she is low price. Give us a call if you're interested. 1-800-625-6335, Battle Creek, Michigan. Freedom Motors USA. Please click the subscribe on the YouTube page. be up to date with all of our latest and greatest awesome wheelchair accessible vehicles. Check us out at freedommotors.com. Give us a call with any questions, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.